The following news moments might be funny for us, but they sure were painfully awkward for the people involved. Please enjoy this 4-clip compilation.
Take legal action and clean up this mess, because if they say children of the future...
My name is Marvin Caribou. I like to live on streets, sniffing.
See, this is what I mean.
Shooting up, doing drugs, and sniffing.
Meanwhile, a pause typically becomes awkward after about 2 seconds. This video smashes that mark.
So now you know. Here's Alex Deacon with the weather.
It's actually an opportunity for members of parliament to actually digest and go through the documentation that is going to be presented to the public. And the opportunity for proper engagement is actually after the tabling of the...
That man was never seen again.
New graphics chips, also some good signs.
Both shows are not having technical difficulties, so I'm watching Spain. It's facing...
Checking up on your vagina while on live news makes sense. Also guys, I have a quick announcement for my viewers who are over the age of 18 and looking for a part-time job. As you guys might have heard, my company has been investing a lot of time and effort into building what I hope to be the most distracting humor site on the internet. This project has led me to hire some big-name employees and recruit almost 40 part-time workers to write, find content, etc. I'm looking for a few more hardworking, intelligent, and ambitious individuals to join the team, so if you're interested in a part-time job at a fast-growing online media company, check out the application in the description.